Tessa here again, talking about Memory Box Part 2. Remember the memory box I've done before? Lots of stuff that is full of memory. Okay, today I'm going to talk about Memory Box Part 2, but more drawings. A whole book of it. More of it. Craft, paper stuff. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start a series of memory box, whether you like it or not. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about this book, full of crafts, full of drawings, and sigils. I've got a few sigils before. I've even got a sigil for me being the helper of the class monitor. Okay. The first thing I'm going to talk about is this TV. You might think this as just a drawing, but this is actually a remnant that I have made a box house before, but I need to take it down. It takes too much space. This is the remnant of the box house. This TV. A picture of Baby Shark. Okay, on to the next one. If you're like me, you may have an OC, an original character you've drawn. It's originally yours. Well, I got one. And it's called Leafy. And I got 4 OCs. It's based on my old friend. You know, it's based 4 friends. I've got a lot of drawings of Leafy, because that's my original character. And even here, like I was imagining I could make a Roblox about planting versus devil. Well, this is a long time ago, but I still love Leafy. And do you know what Leafy is based on? Miraculous! Well, if you watch it, you know it. It's got accessories that gives you power. Well, I like that show, but it's too romantic, so too girlish. Now on to the birthday part. This is my little brother's birthday. First birthday ever drawing. Oh, I've missed something. Ta-da! It's my invitation card to my birthday. Invitation card to my birthday. It's in the past. It's in 2022. Yes. Yes. A book. A book. I made a book for my little brother. But my little brother doesn't do it. You see this logo on the side? I've also got an OC character from Red. It's called Kitty. but the latest one is called Lily. Lily's brand. Well, look. Even got a project and pink enamel. It's not for up to 3 years old. What was I thinking? Right now my brother's 5 years old and doesn't know these things. About drawing of organs. Oh, and make a project. Make a puppet paper animals. Then with teacher Rafi and teacher Lily. I called myself Lily. Wait, this book comes with teacher Rafi. Let me show you. He just rolled off. There we go, teacher Rafi. Hi, Colin. It's a polar bear. Okay, on to the next one. I'm kind of a little lazy guy. I make comics, but I didn't finish them. Here it is. Annoying orange. A long time ago, I liked to watch Annoying Orange. Right now, it's too annoying. See? I've even made a drawing of it. The annoying orange steak. See the shadow things? That means the sight of people. You're watching orange, and I'm in the back watching orange. And this time, I was watching Yokai Watch, and there's about banana girl and her meow. See it? I was watching. Okay. Small comics unfinished. Oh, wait, let's show you something. A unfinished comic. See this book? It's got a unfinished comic about it's based on My Hero Academia this time. But it still has a leafy franchise in it. The life of superpowers. Yep. Here's the character. This is like the description. And here's chapter 1. Episode 1. Why no superpower? And more chapters. Episode 2, giving powers. Emotion, happy. This is how I thought. My Hero Academia. And episode 3, Elite School Test. Emotion, smarts. It's unfinished. It's into chapter 3. Okay, on to the next one. Now, I've got lots of drawings. Don't underestimate me. Oh yes, the latest one. The curse that I made. This is Lilith. This is Stylian. It's just a few pages. It's not connected. The first page. The second page. The third page. And the fourth page. Yep, it's until there. Oh my. I was also thinking about making a leafy information. This is leafy information 1. Do you know these? In miraculous. I don't remember what they're called. In miraculous. But now I give them a name. Michi. This is the Michi characters. This is Rarity, Fiery, Icy, Teleporty, Wavy, and Lightspeed. And then this is me and Leafy. This is Whale Sister. This is my friend. This is my other friend. This is my other friend. This is my little brother. And also there's an information 2 book about the real identities of them and the rooms of them. Well, you can't see much. Wow, many comics. Many things. This one is the latest information. The comic of BFF coming soon. Information. I can't say the name of my BFFs. Hi, my name is Alice Alexandra. Alexandra. I will tell all the information of the episode BFF. I only got 7 OCs now in my franchise. This is Lily Cadabra. Yep. That is my name. She's the shortest girl in her class. Her BFF say that she is a dude because she likes to laugh and make jokes. I can't say it. The first ability is cat's power. It can transform to a cat and climb up high like a cat and everything like a cat. This is original from the planet of Magical Town of Philadelphia. I don't remember why I write this, but okay. This is a hero form power plants. This is her second ability that is plant power. She can make forms using the grower fire. You see this ball over here? It's the grower fire. The ball is like a dirt that makes plants. You see here? This is spider plant. This is alicat plant. Wow, many memories. Oh my god. More franchise of leafing. She'll make a lot. She'll make a lot of leafy things. Yeah. But this is the 4 main characters. This is ice power. This is fire power. This is fire. This is plant power. This is water. This is another drawing of Leafy. So many Leafy drawings. So many Leafy drawings. So well, if you stuck with your OC, you stuck with it. Oh wow. Bags, blind bags. This has got a butterfly at the time. My friend that is a male said, I want to give this blind bag. And who wants it, write their name. And we wrote our names. Then you just turn it around, see who's lucky. And it's me. Wow. And this I just ordered. It's got a squishmallow. Or this one is ultra rare. They got a bracelet, but it broke, so we throw it away. This is the squishmallow. It's just so small. More squishmallow. This is just a blind bag smooth stickers. You got stickers. How was it? Yes, candy. This is my friend Ina gave it to me. Candy, full of candies. It's positive messages. I think that's the thing. The only thing I can talk about. And I'm starting a series. So let's see when I send another video of memory box. Okay, see you next time. Please ring the bell, like and subscribe, and comment down below. But don't comment any curses, or there will be a curse. Bye.